Hey, how are you?
I'm okay.
What do you mean?
I'm not okay. Things aren't okay.
What's wrong?
This past couple of months, you just haven't been there. And I'm starting to feel that.
What do you mean I haven't been there? I've been trying my best. You know all this stuff I've been working on. I've tried to make as much time for you as possible.
I know you have, but I'm working just as hard, and I can't work for both me and you. You've been getting all these fantastic opportunities, and I'm so happy for you. But if you're not going to let me be a part of that, I don't know what to do anymore.
Babe, I'm trying. I love you. I'm sorry. I just don't have time for this.
You know, I'll give you some free time then.
Audrey, that's
No,
not what
it's fine.
Audrey,
I'm done. I can't.
what?